welcome to another episode of Milsurp Surprise for under $20. You might remember a few weeks ago that I purchased some supposedly Milsurp Flecktarn trousers, and they turned out to be Miltech commercial trousers. So I've ordered a replacement set, and hopefully these are Milsurp with proper metallic buttons instead of the cheap plastic ones that the Miltech come with. And we'll see how this turns out, whether I'm a happy shopper or a disappointed shopper. Well, they certainly aren't used. They certainly aren't new. They're very soft, so they've been washed. They've got not quite the same as the original 90s metallic buttons, but they are more substantial than the Miltech commercial trouser buttons. A little bit faded. There aren't any holes that I can see. Bit more faded than I would have liked, but you can't do much for $20. So certainly no holes, no tears that I can see. Buttons I don't like, but can't do anything about that. Proper NATO stock number in here. Yeah, these are certainly proper Milsurp trousers. So happy. They're not new, but happy enough. So if you want to see more of this, just let me know and leave a comment in the comments below. If you want to find out where I've purchased these from, just send me an email and I'll answer you. Until next time. I'll see you later.